testing my solar air heat collector. It's Celsius SE9 or Scansun XL20, I think they call it. You sell it under different names. Anyway, it's a somewhat cold day today. I don't know if you can see it, but winter is coming, and let's see how cold it is. It's -1 outside here. I just took out this thermometer, so it was 17 where I took it from, but outside here it's -1. So let's see how hot it is in the cabin, and I have no other heat source in the cabin, so let's see if it works. There we go. Here's the fan blowing, and at the moment it's 14 inside the cabin, and the hot air coming in from the panel is 23 degrees Celsius. So it seems to be working. It's heating up the cabin, and at the moment it's blowing quite hard because the sun is hitting the panel really good. But it was cold outside and was 10 degrees beneath 0 Celsius then, so it was really cold tonight. But it's quickly heating up the cabin. Just have to make sure it doesn't get too hot, but there's a thermostat to make sure it doesn't. So, we're working.